Good morning, kindergarten. So Miss Willey has a new kind of fact that I'm going to teach you today. It's called difference of one. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you some examples using cubes, and I'm going to show you my whiteboard and show you some problems. So here's an example of a difference of one problem. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So I'm going to show you with cubes what that would look like. So here's 3 and here's 2. What's the difference? The difference is 1. The red one has 1 less, doesn't it? So if I had 3 and I take 2 away, the difference is 1. Do you see why it's called difference of 1? Because there's only one number between them. They're 1 away from each other, so the answer is always going to be 1. Let me show you another example. This is another example of a difference of 1 problem. 5 minus 4. Let me show you that in cubes. I have 5 green cubes, 4 red cubes. What's the difference? 1. And there's my answer. 5 minus 4 is 1. It's a difference of 1. I'm going to show you one more. My problem is 8 minus 7. I'm going to show you in cubes. I have 8 green cubes and 7 red cubes. What's the difference? 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So that is difference of 1. Anytime you see a number where they're only 1 apart, the answer is going to be 1. Let me show you all of the examples of these problems on my whiteboard. Almost running out of room. There's a lot of them. But the best part is the answer is always 1, boys and girls. 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 10 minus 9 equals 1. So what I want you to do is on your fact sheets, I want you to go through and I want you to find all of the difference of 1 problems. You can even circle them if you want to. And that's a quick one that you can write down. The answer is 1. Good job, guys. Proud of you. Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss Willey. We're here to practice some facts again. I want you to go ahead and go to 123B. It's this one, 123B. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to do 2 minutes of time for you to fill out your answers. And I hope you've watched the video about differences of 1. If you haven't, I want you to stop right now. I want you to find that video and I want you to watch it with mom and dad, because your first job I want you to do is I want you to go through and I want you to circle all the problems that are the difference of 1, because then when you go to answer, it's going to be a lot easier for you to find them. You're going to go through and you're going to circle them and you're going to know that the difference of 1, the answer is always 1. Okay, so watch that video. If you've already watched it, I want you to go ahead and I want you to put your name at the top of your paper. Again, 123B. And then I want you to go through and try to find all the problems that are the difference of 1. I'm going to set my timer and you're going to have about 2 minutes to fill in your answers just like before, just like we did in the classroom. Okay, my timer is set. Are you ready? We're going to go ahead and we're going to begin filling all your answers as best as you can. Ready, set, go. About halfway done. Ten seconds. Okay, boys and girls, stop. Put our hands up. Okay, remember, if you're not done, don't worry about it. We're working on our fluency and we're going to try to get quicker so we're ready when we go to first grade, okay? I want you to get out a crayon or a marker, and now we're going to go over answers all together. Remember, if you got it right, you're going to give yourself either a dot or a check, whatever you did in your other classroom. If you got it wrong, you're going to cross it out and write the correct answer. If you left it blank, you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill in the correct answer, okay? Are you ready? Let's do the first one. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 6, which is a difference of 1 problem. The answer is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 2 minus 0 is 2. 10 minus 9 is, it's difference of 1. Answer is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. 3 minus 2, that's a difference of 1. I circled it. The answer is 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 5 minus 4, oh, that's a difference of 1. I didn't circle that one. Is 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 5, that's a difference of 1. 1 away. Answer's 1. 11 minus 2 is 9. 8 minus 7, difference of 1. Answer is 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is difference of 1. Answer is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. Difference of 1. And the last one is 10 minus 4 equals 6. Good job, boys and girls. Go ahead and put your answer correct up at the top. Remember, our goal is to try to get 20 every time. See if we can get 20 in 2 minutes is a goal. So proud of you. Keep practicing those facts.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's Miss Pingel, and I'm back for Tuesday, April 21st, 2020's math lesson. Let's get started by writing our name at the top of the paper. Please remember to use your awesome Hannah handwriting, starting at the 2 or almost at the top, sitting on the baseline, appropriate sizes. All right, let's get started. Number 1, circle the 2 that are exactly the same. Well, let's start by ruling one of them out. I know that the second shape has the middle section shaded and the others have the last. So I know that it's not this one. Oh wait, I see something that's different now. Do you see it? It's the last shape. It has 4 parts and the others only have 3. So it's not this one. And so now I know that the first and the third are exactly the same. Number 2. While he was away, Billy wrote 5 letters to his parents and 1 letter to his Aunt Debbie and 3 letters to his sister Shannon. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the letters Billy wrote. All right, let's start with the first part. Billy wrote 5 letters to his parents. So I'm going to label with numbers today. Oops. Something is not working here. That's all right. There we go. And he wrote 1 to his aunt. And he wrote 3 to his sisters. So today's strategy, I used numbers. Now I can write a number sentence. A number sentence is just like an equation, like Emmy the equation earthworm helps us with. 5 plus 1 plus 3 equals, I'm going to use my mouse now, this is not working. Let's see, 5 plus 1 would be 6, and then keep counting on like Clark the counting crocodile. 7, 8, 9. So I started off with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 1 plus 3 equals 9. How many letters did Billy write in total? 9. Number 3. The children in Ms. Daddy-O's class made this graph about their favorite fruit. Oranges and apples. Write one thing you know about the children in Ms. Daddy-O's class. Some suggestions would be the number of oranges there are. Maybe you can count the total of apples. Maybe you want to say who has more or less. Maybe you want to try to challenge yourself and say how many extra or how many more of a fruit there are, or how many less fruit, or maybe how many fruit in total. There are so many things that you can decide about what you see about this graph. I'll let you write it at the very end. I'm going to continue on with number 4. Color 2 circles yellow. As you know, I'm going to label 2, Y for yellow. And I'm going to color 4 circles blue. So I'm going to label 1, 2, 3, 4 of them blue. Oops, the yellow one disappeared on me. Oh man. Now I want to figure out how many of the total circles are yellow. Well, I remember that 2 were yellow, so I can put 2. And then of circles, how many in total are there? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 total circles. 2 of the 6 circles are yellow. And if you want to try to challenge yourself, you write it 2 of 6. Oh, isn't that crazy? That's like 3rd grade math right there. And now we're going to find the answers of minus and plus 10s for question number 5. 89 minus 10 would be counting down a group of 10 from 89. 89 minus 10 would be 79. Now 19 plus 10 would be 10 more than a group of 19. So I have to make the group of 10 make a group of 10 more, which would be 29. Remember, only the groups of 10 change. Nothing changes with the groups of 1. And 24 minus 10 would be counting down a group of 10. So from 29 minus 10 would just be 14. Thank you, my cool cats and kittens, for helping me complete the math assignment. I'll see you tomorrow for our very last math lesson for the week. Enjoy the rest of your day. We love you and miss you very, very much.